This video demonstrates the replacing the given network into Thevenin or Norton's circuit. Consider an example. In this case, find the Thevenin and Norton equivalent for the circuit shown with respect to terminals A, B. So, with respect to these terminals, we have to replace this entire circuit into Thevenin equivalent circuit and Norton equivalent circuit. First, we will discuss about replacing the given network into Thevenins. So, with respect to these two terminals, the first step is to remove this resistance or impedance connected between these two steps. Determine the Thevenin voltage. These are the two steps. The first step is determine the Thevenin voltage, V Thevenin or open circuit voltage. Second step is determine the Thevenin impedance or Thevenin. So first I'm going to remove this resistance 20 ohm and redraw the circuit. The first step is determining the open circuit voltage with respect to terminals A, B. Apply a mesh analysis or node analysis. So in this case, I'm applying the mesh analysis X. There are two mesh here, X and Y. Okay. In the first mesh, there is a 96 volts is there, supply 6 ohm and 12 ohm. Second mesh, 4 ohm, 12 ohm and 12. And this 12 ohm is common to both X and Y. And no current is flowing through this 4 ohm. Yeah, first mesh equation is 6 plus 12, 18x. 12 is common to X and Y. This 12 ohm is common to X and Y. And both are in opposite direction. So minus 12y. So is equal to this 96. For the second mesh equation C, 4 plus 12 plus 12 is a 28y, and this 12 is common, minus 12x, 28. There is no sources in this mesh, and it is 0. So now solve these two simultaneous equation using calculator. Directly we can solve. By solving, so the first mesh equation x is equal to 7.467 volt and y is equal to 3.2 volt. Then what about the open circuit voltage? Means this voltage between these two terminals AB, so will be equal to, because no current will be flowing. Hence, the drop occurs 12 ohm is the Thevenin voltage or open circuit voltage with respect to these two terminals. We calculated the current flowing in this 12 ohm. So that current into this 12 ohm, we will get a open circuit voltage. VOC is Y is the current flowing in 12 ohm. 3.2 into 12 is a 38.4 volts. The first step, we determine the open circuit voltage. The next step is determine the Thevenin impedance. So this is a given network. To find the Thevenin impedance, if it is independent sources, if the circuit contains independent sources, then if there is a voltage source, short circuit that terminal. If any current source, remove the current source. In this example, we have a 96 volts, so I have to short circuit this terminal. So by shorting, so this is the equivalent circuit here, or Thevenin. So I am calculating the Thevenin impedance by looking back with respect to these two terminals. By looking back, 6 ohm and 12 ohm, these two are in parallel. And so replace this 6 ohm and 12 ohm into single impedance. 6 into 12 divided by 6 plus 12, it's a 4 ohm, and this 4 ohm. Now these two are in series. 4 and 4 is 8 ohm. Again, this 8 and 12 ohm are in parallel. So 8 and 12 ohms are in parallel. 8 into 12 divided by 8 plus 12 is a 4.8. Then 4.8 and 4 ohm, these two are in series. So total RThevenin is 4.8 plus 4 is a 8.8. So this will be the Thevenin's equivalent. Similarly, Norton equivalent circuit, uh, we have to short those two terminals. Shorting these two means AB between these two to remove the impedance or resistance and shorting this terminal X, Y, Z. Now there are three mesh equations. So write the three mesh equation 18x minus 12y and variables are three variable. There is no Z, write as 0 Z is equal to 96 volts. Coming to the second mesh equation 12 plus 12, okay, 24 and 4, 28 is our y, yeah, and minus 12x. So this 12 ohm is common to x and y, minus 12x, 28y, and this 12 ohm is common to y and z, minus 12z is equal to 0. Third mesh equation, um, there is no common between this x and y, 0x. This 12 ohm is common to y and z, minus 12y. 4 plus 12, 16z. By solving these three simultaneous equation using calculator, so x is equal to 9.12 ampere, y is 5.818 ampere, z is 4.36. Z is nothing but a short. So ISC and IM. So we already determined the open circuit voltage and Thevenin's impedance already we calculated and ISC. So 4.36 is the current and Thevenin's impedance is 8.8. So in this way, you can replace the given network Thevenin's and the Norton impedance.